Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new tutorial. Okay, I am going to show you how to knit from this wire that I have attached. It's pretty long. I didn't cut this. I didn't cut this because I'm a plus size and I need the more room to wear it. So I didn't cut it. They're pretty long. I haven't measured it, and I forgot totally how long these wires are. Did go and buy another one just to have it handy when I need it, because I really like it. It just rests, the stitches rest. These are from Temu, and unfortunately it doesn't say how long it is, but it's pretty long. Okay, so I showed a little short on how to put it on. What I did is I put this and I slide it. It holds, like this is holding very good. So I thought, how am I supposed to knit? I don't want to go through, every stitch and going through a cable that I've been to knit it up. So I thought, why don't I use this trick? I know this part is going to be a little hard because this is where you put the wire in, right? So I thought, let me just try this trick. So what I did is, and it holds very strong. It's I don't know, this is a 4mm knitting needle, and I stuck it. It's stuck there. So what I did is, this is what I knit so far, and I had to share it with you because lots of people don't know. If you're like me, there's so many gadgets to buy, and I try not to buy too many because, it adds up in the house, and so many stuff in boxes. It's like unbelievable. So this is really holding, and it does slide. It's just at this part that I'm going to be knitting, and I just continue knitting my lace stitch. Yeah, I finished the 2 sleeves on the sweater, and I really like the end result of this. So let me just show you. It's a little bit tricky, so I am carefully moving the stitches. You never know. We don't want it to come out, right? So what I just continue knitting, and I slide it. It slides very easily. That's the thing. It does slide very easily. Look. Let me just show you. It's just this part that you will have difficulty. You might, I don't know, like I didn't have any difficulty because it is pretty pointy so far. And I'm just knitting just my lace stitch. Just knits perfectly and it slides easily. So that's the main thing. And the more I need more stitches, what I do is, let me just knit this part. Sometimes it's hard to pick it up when you move, slip, stitch when you're changing your stitches. But other than that, it's just easy to just do knit stitch, just like this. Okay, so I need more stitches. What I do is I carefully, very cautiously slide these stitches, because this is where the holding part, right, between the wire and the needle. So just wanted to show you this. This is how you can, start knitting where you left off. And I really like it. I really do. So I just figured this out. I don't think it's out there. And I don't see anybody showing this technique, this method, just to slide it carefully. And I am really happy with my buy of this wires that I purchased, so it can rest, right? while you're knitting the sleeves, or you can cut and you can put these on the sleeves. I might cut this one. That's another story. So this is my new tool, and I'm really happy with the end result. So I will see you on my next video. You guys take care. And don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy knitting. Bye-bye.